Are you struggling to find time to exercise because of your job? I lost 100+ pounds while working 8 to 16-hour shifts at a bakery, plus dealing with over an hour of commuting every single day. Now, if you're a busy professional or someone that spends so much time commuting back and forth from work, watching this given video, and you feel like you cannot find any time to fit exercise into your schedule, I have personally used to find 3 hours to go to the gym regardless of my insanely busy schedule. But first, I need to tell you something. Time is not the problem when it comes to exercising, because I have personally helped over 100+ people who all had busy work lives, personal lives, and physically demanding jobs to lose well over 50 to 100 pounds. So I can tell you from my own experience, plus helping all of these other people, that time isn't the problem, but how you manage it is actually the key. Let me give you a perfect real life example. You see, way back in the day when I was working at a bakery, this is what my schedule looked like. Okay, I would drag myself out of bed at the ungodly hour of 3 in the morning. I would ride this bike 20 minutes to the gym, and then I would spend 3 hours there. Yeah, I know, 3 whole hours. I know it sounds like a lot, but you know, you gotta consider how to squeeze in time to like shower and change. You know, I gotta look good, right? I'm working at a bakery, I gotta look good. Okay, come on. After finishing my workout, I'd bike all the way back and I'd eat, okay? I'd make breakfast. And then I would go on the subway to work. I would then spend 8 to 12 hours working in a bakery on my feet, back hurting, wham, wham, wham. And then I'd come back at like 11 p.m. and do it all over for 4 or 5 times in the week. Now, if you're still thinking that you physically cannot find time to work out, you need to think again, because it is not time that you are lacking. It's a simple matter of the priorities and what level it falls on for you. There is this great quote that goes along the lines of this: "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." And it's a perfect example of what we're talking about right now on this video. If you really want to live a long and healthy life, for not just yourself, but for your spouse, and for your kids, and for your family. You want to grow old without any health complication. You want to feel more energetic, have that stamina, feel more confident, even at an older age. Then let's be real, you wouldn't really be making any excuses for not having the time, right? If losing weight and getting healthy and staying healthy is truly a top priority for you, then you'd be cool to give up your 1 or 2 or even 5 hours of TV time every single day to focus on your health. So let me give you some actual practical strategies. And I want you to figure out what your work hours are, and then simply cut out any unnecessary time so you could fit it in somewhere to exercise. For example, a lot of you watching this probably working a 9 to 5. Instead of wasting 1, 2, 3 hours every day after work watching TV or your local sports team, that probably sucks, you can go to bed slightly earlier and wake up slightly earlier to get some exercise. Now, I'm not saying you have to go to 0 to 60 and you got to wake up at 3 in the morning and then you have to go to the gym and all this shit. You could literally start by waking up 20 minutes earlier and going for a 20-minute walk. Then over time, create a workout plan that fits your body, your needs, your goals, and your schedule. But you need to be careful with your workout plans, because I see so many people, regardless of whatever stage they're at, whether it's a beginner, intermediate, they've been working out forever, they are picking the wrong type of exercises and movements and are at a seriously high risk of injuring themselves. They're gonna wake up at 5 a.m., they overtrain themselves to the point of complete exhaustion. They're gonna do absurd amounts of cardio, right? Because that's what you really need to do in order to lose weight. And obviously, this is gonna yield them feeling super lethargic and super tired and super unenergetic, leading to their productivity at work going to shit. So now, if you want help to avoid this huge, critical, crucial mistake that so many people make, you can schedule a quick 10-minute chat with me and create a perfect plan for you that you could do in as little as 30 minutes a day. This wouldn't be like any kind of workouts or some generic crap. I'm talking about exercises that is gonna burst your testosterone through the roof and burst your day with motivation, so you not only burn the fat, but also feel as if you were 20 or 30 years younger. Now, if this feels or sounds like something that you really need, then click the first link in the description below to schedule a free 10-minute chat with me. I will see you there, or I will see you in the next video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that algorithm stuff. If you found this video helpful, maybe share it with a friend. Thanks.